Got messy data all stuck in one column? Don't worry. Excel's text-to-columns tool can split it neatly in seconds. Let's see how it works. Step 1. Select the data. First, highlight all the cells that contain the text you want to separate. Step 2. Open Text to Columns. Now go to the Data tab and click on Text to Columns. Step 3. Choose the split type. In the wizard, select Delimited and click Next. Step 4. Pick the delimiters. Here, I'll tick both comma and space. But if your data is only separated by commas, just tick comma, then click Next. Step 5. Set the data format. On this screen, select Text to keep your data as it is, then click Finish. And just like that, Excel organizes your data neatly into separate columns. Simple, right? That's how you split and organize data in Excel. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more Excel tips.